Maybe. It didn't break. That's one less I have to blame on the cat. Hello there. Just putting the finishing touches on my Christmas tree. Seasoning greetings to everyone. Welcome to a very special episode, Christmas episode of The Blind Chef. So pour yourself a bowl of eggnog, throw the mule log on the fire. I'm Bradley Smith, and this is Blind Chef. That's perfect. Oh, do I love this time of year. So much cooking going on, so much food and desserts everywhere. People are giving away bulk popcorn and flavors that you only eat this time of the year. People are making fruit cakes instead of calling me one. Kids are making desserts for Santa. Speaking of which, kids, if you're going to make a dessert for Santa, a cookie, don't make oatmeal raisin cookies. Santa wants a dessert, not breakfast. Today I'm going to show you how to make Puppy Chow, also known as reindeer food, Muddy Buddies, or Monkey Munch. If you're in the mood for pet food, this is a much better option. Here are your ingredients for Puppy Chow. First, you need 9 cups of some type of Chex cereal, placed in a large bowl. This Chex cereal happens to be gluten-free, which is good because my doctor told me to stop eating glue. You'll need 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/2 cup of butter or margarine. Wait, is that right? Yes, because you want more butter than peanut butter, so 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Now, here's a little food hack. You can buy your sugar already powdered from the store, so you don't have to do it yourself. And those are your ingredients. Next, you'll want to grab a microwavable mixing bowl. And I can't stress this enough, it needs to be microwavable. People tell me that there's a way to see if a bowl is microwavable. I haven't found anything. All I see is a bunch of symbols, no words. Now, I've been able to tell if this bowl is microwavable through a lot of trial and error. And there's been a lot of error and a lot of trial. Okay, in your bowl, you're going to want to microwave the chocolate chips, the peanut butter, and butter or margarine. Now we're going to microwave this until it can be stirred smooth. 30 minutes should do it. And now we wait. While we wait for our ingredients to melt, it's time for my helpful household tip. This time of the year, it can be nice to cozy up next to a roaring fire that you start on purpose. It's especially helpful if you happen to forget to pay the gas bill. Nobody's perfect. So today, I'm going to show you how to start a fire in your fireplace. First, you want to check and make sure that your fireplace is ready for a fire. I had a family of squirrels living in my chimney, but those alley cats took care of them, so it's all set. Next, you'll need some firewood. Now, you can either buy firewood, or you can chop it yourself, or you can use wood that you find lying around. Since my axe and my chainsaw were confiscated, I'm going to use firewood I just bought. So we'll place the firewood in the fireplace. Perfect. Next, we'll need some sort of kindling. Now you can use dryer lint or love letters that were sent back or gasoline. I'm just going to use some paper towel. It works well and doesn't burn off my body hair like gasoline does. Stick that in there. Now, to quote that angry mob that I tried to part with my car, let's light this baby on fire. Chow locks. Now, nothing brings a family closer together like a fire. Any minute, my family will come running downstairs and ask me what I'm burning. And I'll reply, "What you smell is just holiday cheer and your stockings that were carelessly hung too close to the chimney." Okay, while our fire builds, let's check on our mixture. Okay, 30 minutes was probably a little long, but anyway, it's melted now. So next, we stir in the vanilla. There we go, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Put it all in there. Let's just get those out of our way so I don't knock them on the floor. Now we mix that all up. Next, we will pour it over our Chex cereal. Add everything in there. Smells really good. Chocolate always does. Use the holiday festive red spatula just to scrape all the remaining chocolatey goodness into the bowl. Okay. All out. Now we mix it up. Get it evenly coated. Okay, once you have your Chex all covered with the mixture, you want to use a bag to toss it around to get it coated in the powdered sugar. I don't recommend a trash bag. What I'm going to use is a 2-gallon plastic resealable bag. I've already placed my powdered sugar, my 1.5 cups, in the bag. So next, I just dump this in here, hopefully without making a mess. There we go. Once it's all in, seal the bag and then shake it well. I would even double check to make sure the bag is definitely sealed before you start shaking it and holding it above your head. Now, you can pour this out in the wax paper or a bowl to let it cool. I'm just going to open up the bag and then let it cool, and while I go wash off some of this powdered sugar. That's it for this episode. have a Merry Christmas, and join me next time when I show you how to make homemade snow from ice cream. But until next time, keep cooking, and I'll see you right here on The Blonde Chef.